The manifesto saying assets.
Which manifesto says assets?
The Congress manifesto says that we believe now.
Show me. You again, just read it for me.
When the Congress manifesto,
before once you make that statement.
Interpretation of
No. Now you have contradicted yourself. You said Congress manifesto says it. Now you say interpretation.
So, yes, because no. 1 minute. According to Chidambaram ji, he says CAA को हम हटा देंगे.
Now don't go to CA. We'll come to CA.
No,
First, let's stick to that topic.
When you're talking about the manifesto.
Yes, miss, you can't be interviewing me and changing topics. You
why
told
not?
me. You just said
why not?
Congress manifesto says
manifesto
assets.
Manifesto talks about equitable distribution.
Of what?
I don't have
of what?
It at present.
Of assets.
Of equitable exact word.
One second. I'll tell you the words. Article 39 of the Constitution, 39B says, the resources of the community shall be so distributed as to subserve the common good. This is what the manifesto says. Tell me what's wrong
so
with it.
Now, when you say that interpretation is different...
No. Tell me what's wrong with this. This is the Constitution.
Though that's fine. Am I arguing about the Constitution? What I'm saying is that when the Congress picks it up, then it's equal game for the...
So if the Congress picks up words of the Constitution, it is wrong.
So what they have said, what Prime Minister Modi said...
Prime Minister Modi is used to making statements which are far away from the truth. Prime Minister Modi also said that the Mangal Sutra of Hindu women will be given over and the assets will be taken and given to those who produce more children.
All right.
Please answer that.
Yeah, I will.
Why did he say that?
So
is that the truth?
So let me answer this.